Good morning. Today I'm going to a jewelry shop, workshop. Yes, I will make a bracelet for my parents. So we are here in Pokhara, and the jewelry workshop is actually here. It's inside. It's a super small entry between some restaurants. That's the way how it looks like. There's the guy. That's where they melt the silver. The machineries stuff they have. So this course will be around 1,500 rupees, which is roughly like 10-11 euro. And then additionally, the price of the silver, it's depending on the size of the jewelry you made, which will be roughly 130 rupees per gram. The quality is 96% because they add 3% of copper to make it flexible, and there you pay 130 rupees per gram, which is like 80 cents. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna make. So for the design I've chosen a couple necklace which looks like this, and now we were just designing about the size. So it's like maybe roughly 2 centimeters, and now we start with melting the silver. Okay. And now we are melting the silver.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so we add borax here, that the silver melts faster. And what's the heat? The temperature? So we are heating here maybe with 900 degrees. Okay, so you make the bar.
Yeah, like a biscuit.
A biscuit, yes.
So, we put the acid,
Okay. Which acid is this?
sulfuric, and with mixed water.
Ah, okay. Okay. Sulfuric with mixed water. And why we put it in the acid?
We clean the silver.
Okay. To clean the silver, makes sense. So now you're preparing the tools for like cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it really got white after this acid.
We do like this, hand and boom, and on the side, thing this.
Ah, okay. So we make it square.
Yeah.